Hello, welcome to Swift Education. My name is Lavin. Today we are going to create presentations in Canva, and I'm going to teach you some tips of how to create stunning presentations using Canva. So the first thing you're going to do is create an account with Canva, and if you already have an account, then sign in. On the top right, there are my details. So after you sign in, this is the home page. So we are going to create PowerPoint presentations that are very stunning, and it is free. So let's learn some of the few tricks that are there in Canva. So you're going to click on the various links here. The first is creating a document. The second is creating whiteboards. Third, presentations. The fourth is social media platforms, and going that until there are more details here. So what I'm going to select, this Canva can be used even to create brochures and all those infographics. So I'm going to create presentations, and there are a few templates that we have here. So you may choose any depending on what you wish to have. And if it's a video presentation, it will always have this triangle sign for playing. And if it's just a PowerPoint presentation, then you're going to have to select all these templates that be here. So you may choose whatever you like. You may have a business proposal, a pitch deck, portfolio, business project, and all these. So I'm going to select this minimalist, then I'm going to edit it. So after selecting it, this is what we have. So you may create a better presentation. For example, you may at this place you'll have the design, and this is the design. You may have elements that you wish to add. For example, these elements and pictures and all that. You may add text to it, and you'll choose the format that you wish. You may add a branding hub. You may upload your own pictures or other things that you wish to upload. You may have other projects that you wish to include. You may have connected to apps and all that. So that is the benefit of doing it in Canva. So I'm going back to design. Then at this point, I'm going to give this a title. Let's say, for example, children. Let's say dealing with children in the adolescent stage. Then you select it all, then you change the size of the font so that it can fit. Or let's have 40. Click enter. Change this to, let's say, 42. Okay. Then what you're going to do is make it bold, and there we have it, dealing with children in the adolescent stage. Then these, you can write your name by Swift Education. Then you may change this. Effects, you may have these effects. Then you may, if you decide to animate it, let's say, okay, let me choose tectonic. Change the year to 2023. Just page 1. Okay. What other text formatting? if you have it center, if you have it top, middle, bottom, left, or we may undo and have it let's have it where it was. We may choose the background color. Let's say, for example, wish to have this, or wish to have this, or wish to have this, any that you wish. So let's begin with it, having it that way. Then if you decide to edit the photo, for example, you may check this and edit the photo. So editing the photo will make you change this photo that you have. You may have that. For example, if you have all these, you may choose this. See, there are changes that make the presentation wonderful. Now, some of these changes you may apply to all the pages. And now we progress to the next slide. So this is the title, and this is the person that is working on this project. Next, we add slide, and what we do is add page. When you add the page this way, it will give you a blank. However, when you go to the recently used and select, for example, when we have this, let's delete this. Now we have the first page, and we add it as a new page. And when you add it as a new page, there are details that you'll write here. For example, let's say introduction. In this introduction, maybe you may decide to define who is an adolescent. Who is an adolescent? What are the challenges they go through? Then you adjust the font. Let's have 25. And you adjust the spacing. Line spacing, let's say you adjust it to 2 or 1.5. Okay, let me have 1.5. Enter. Then letter spacing, you may decide to have it that way, or we may decide to have it this way. So whatever you like. So let's have it 0. Then you can be writing all those details here, and you may add each of these pages depending on what you wish. So the next page add as a new page, and this is what you continually have. And you find that since this needs to be the first, you may move it here so that it is the second slide. Then this is the third slide. So we have slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Any other additions, you just click here and add as a new page, and you adjust these photos. For example, if you have a new image that you wish to upload, you double click it and click edit photo. Then if you have a photo, let's say on the desktop, you may upload it easily. Let me check. For example, I have this upload, and choose this file, and I just drag it and place it there. And if I have another file, let's say, for example, I want to replace it, I just add it and drag it, and there it appears. So that is how we adjust these. You keep adjusting what you are doing. You may also have other design that you wish to include. And going back to the design, go to the minimalistic approach. There's these other designs that are in the project. For example, we have this first design, we have this second design, we have this third design, we have this third design. Then moving to this design, you see it is dark. Then it has this crown, which is indicated Pro. So when you use this design, you'll have to pay for it. This one is not free. Similar to this design that has this crown icon, this one you pay for it. But these other designs that you do not have the crown icons are free of charge. So you may select whatever you like. For example, you may choose this design and wish to include it in your project. For example, you add this as the fourth slide, and this is how it looks like. then you may adjust these so that it looks wonderful. You may also go back to these designs and choose, for example, you wish to use this design, and part of it is also to be included in the new page. So you click add, and there you have it. So each of these designs depends on what you wish to use, and you may use them. So finally, you download this. So you'll click share and click download. Then the default is PDF standard, which is suggested, but you want it as a PowerPoint presentation. So I'll click PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint document. So once I click that, it will have 4 pages, and I'll export all the 4 pages, and I'll click download. Then click save. Once it's downloaded, I'll click here and click on this. This is how a PowerPoint presentation looks like. So all the things and all the details that I wish to have added, I could have designed it in the previous thing and done it here. And like, for example, let me create a new slide here and use these default designs in Microsoft PowerPoint that are so dull and so boring. So you can be using the designs in the Canva and downloading a complete PowerPoint presentation. Thank you. I hope you've learned something. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe.